Bit of green back. Lovely. Whoa! Very good. Nice. Slam.
You sleeping, Ruben?
Ooh.
Your legs.
Don't walk on me balls.
I won't walk on your balls because that's your arse.
Ah, my fucking knee. Okay. So.
That's good for you. You like it?
Right there, Ruben.
Yeah. Oh, it's really nice. Something almost cracked.
Differ out, lad. You have the Jan speed. That's Jan speed as well, lad. Yeah, where'd the brake? Oh, he snapped off the thing. Josh is a rough bastard. Josh, what are you fucking doing, man?
Rob is having a barbecue and he has a whole bunch of Evos and stuff. So we're going to go into
Tita, look at this machine.
Right, there's a bunch of cool Evos. Hi, in Rob's, he's having a barbecue. Yeah, so this is pretty random. While we're working on our car, Rob is having his own barbecue over in the corner. So here's a nice RX-7 and a Cresta. And we're back. A distraction after a mega distraction.
It's still wet from yesterday.
We can't stress enough, a lot of people get really weird about paint jobs and stuff, and we're usually pretty picky about that kind of stuff. Well, to a degree, but we're really trying to mimic the look of the way a lot of race cars are in Japan, where it's slightly rough and ready. But yeah, we want battle scars. We want to look like it's got a history that's been touched up. Either that, or you can just think that we're lazy bastards and we didn't really want to do all the flushing and filling.
So my mask is blocked.
Why are we drilling these holes?
Josh didn't drill them the right size. This one's
Christ, man.
So this is a massive distraction of everything. We're just gonna go do a bit of off-road around the back.
I'm gonna shake. Hey Rob.
Over there and you'll see.
So that was all two-wheel drive, was it?
Whoa! Come on, my God!
You're showing me.
Bush! There's some sort of trail here.
Rocks there, try and keep that wheel on them. You need to kind of come over here and then come this way, come straight at this.
It is day 4 of this. So it's a bank holiday, Monday. We've been working since Friday night. We are here. Today is the day where we piece the blue machine back together. So our morning plan is take all this stuff, high stuff, out one at a time. These are fun. So these little fuckers hold rubber onto the door. They have to be fed back into this.
He needs to go into. The other side doesn't have one.
Yes.
It's
not gearbox or
this.
anything.
Yeah.
This is assembly.
Yeah. I don't get paid to do this. We don't get paid enough
No.
to be interior crocodile alligator
I drive a Chevrolet movie theater.
Andrew at Sticky Business hooked us up with the graphics, which he nicely posted out to us for
It's a box of transformation.
a box of transformation.
Yeah, look at that.
It's fairly funny, like.
Yeah, they're really good, like.
Because the Skyline said 12 on it, and I thought it'd be funny to do 11 because it's K11.
You know,
the Ichigo lights were on the Premiere and they were on the and their Ichigo lights on that. So I decided to mix the Skyline livery with the Premiere livery and do like an in between. So some of the stuff's actually off the Premiere. Cool, right? Yeah. These little meat should. Does it keep going over? Yeah.
Yeah, I'd say, yeah, that looks pretty spot on.
That's the thing that I was worried about the paint where we're going to be doing a bit of pulling. Thanks.
Stick to the roof there.
Yeah.
The paint will fall.
And you can. Brian doesn't have these lines. I'm not mash, but I don't know.
Keep that I'd have the snatch view.
It's not so good on camera. See, I annoy him all the time when he's doing shit, so he's like, ah, whatever. Sure, no one over here will know what it says.
No.
Oh man, numbers on it then, it's just like, not there anymore now, but a while ago. Just getting really tied into the action there, like. Just have I love my county on it or something. Just put it on the fucking thing. All the ones are early spec, but they're up on the curve. I don't have mine, so
This is looking too easy.
Is that too much? Yeah, if we drill this hole and then we'll swap it to this one.
You won't see them, they'll be under a fucking thing anyway.
ah, it's fucking soaked under his fucking feet. I'd say. So look, the lock is here, you know, and it's hitting as little of it as possible. So
Into the door handle with this.
yeah, it's gonna go in a bit, like, do you know what I mean?
We're nearly there. We have this side to fucking do here, but we're almost done. So me and Ruben are using our heads and shortening the time. So we're going to measure what we've done here and then just paste it onto the other side. So
You know someone made a valid point that you can't see both sides
can't
at the
see,
same time.
yeah, Jackie did. You can't see both sides at the same time, but we want it to be fairly close.
The nonsense. Yeah, well, you're dicky now. Stop that, you. Yeah, the only way we've ever seen it in real life is actually what we're doing now. Yeah.
Just fold it in there. Pop it open when it's off. But
Yeah, so we're finished.
Well, everybody helped. All these people here.
Hello everybody, hi everyone, woo.